guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can clear up space in your CapCut PC app by clearing the cache. So go to menu and you do have to go back to homepage. This will take a long time to load because I'm on fast mode right now. Let's just ignore the fact that I'm in the lobby. I'll need this open because I'm playing later. Anyways, here I'll just full screen it so you won't be distracted by that. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Select the settings tab and go to settings. Then you are going to select clear cache here. So there's this cache size. You can also auto delete the cache yourself by pressing how many days you want, and then press delete and press OK. It won't delete any media that you have, and it won't delete your project. But for instance, you've downloaded some effects, filters, stock videos, it will tell you to download it again because you just removed it. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!